Meanwhile, the OUR boss explained that the 7% increase will be spread over a 6-month period. Mr. Hewitt also expressed the view that JPS customers should see a reduction in their electricity bills in the coming months once there is improvement in the operations of the light and power company.
So we're saying 7% for this. You can recover 7% of that this month. And then we've said, look, but bear in mind, of course, that those fuel and IPP charge will vary in the coming months as you get, depending on how fuel price change, but also the fact that you now are back to using LNG, and also the fact that you might be able to distribute you're able to distribute that fixed cost over a wider customer base. So we expect the fuel charge and IPP charge to return to what we consider to be normality. What we're saying is that the abnormality that obtained with regard to November, that we are going to not impose that abnormality as a one-off shock, but rather we're going to dribble it, not dribble, but we're going to apportion
phase
it over
it in.
phase it in over the next 6 months.